Imagine living for over 150 years, experiencing 2 centuries of evolution, changing climates, and world events. Today, we're diving into the astonishing secrets behind the longevity of the Galapagos giant tortoise, a creature that holds the key to long life. What's their secret, and can we learn from it? Stick around, because the answer may surprise you. These slow-moving, wise-looking creatures are more than just ancient icons of the Galapagos Islands. With some tortoises living well past 150, scientists are uncovering some fascinating secrets about their DNA, their slow pace of life, and how they handle stress that could hold the answer to living longer. First up, let's talk about DNA. Galapagos tortoises have a remarkable ability to repair their DNA. Imagine if our cells could naturally repair themselves every time they were damaged. This would slow down aging and make us more resistant to disease. Their genetic makeup helps prevent age-related diseases like cancer, which is one of the reasons these giants keep going strong. Scientists believe that tortoises developed these DNA repair mechanisms to adapt to the harsh environments of the Galapagos Islands, where survival isn't easy. And if there's one thing we know about tortoises, it's that they take life slow. The Galapagos tortoise has a very slow metabolism, which means they conserve energy and don't need to eat as often. This slow pace doesn't just keep them alive longer, it may be the secret behind their impressive lifespan. Scientists think that their low metabolic rate reduces stress on their body over time. So maybe we can learn something here. Sometimes, slowing down can actually be good for you. Galapagos tortoises aren't exactly vegans, but they're definitely plant-based. They eat plenty of greens, fruits, and cacti. Their diet is packed with antioxidants and low in processed anything, because they're in the wild. This clean diet may protect their cells from damage and boost their immune system, keeping them healthy for decades. Here's a question for you all. If you had a chance to live over 100 years, but had to live it like a tortoise, would you take it? Would a slower pace and a green diet be worth it? What can we learn from these gentle giants? The secret may not be in some miracle cure but in our habits and lifestyle choices. Just like these tortoises, we could benefit from less stress, a healthy diet, and maybe even taking things a bit slower. To wrap it up, the Galapagos giant tortoise teaches us that longevity is a journey, not a race. So maybe next time you're feeling the need to rush, remember our tortoise friends who've seen entire centuries pass by. Maybe slowing down is the key we've been missing. If you enjoyed learning about the secrets of the Galapagos tortoise and want more fascinating nature content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. And remember, let me know in the comments if you take the slow road to a long life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.